LinkedIn's algorithm now prioritizes active, optimized profile. Want to land more eyeballs and snag interview invites in under 5 minutes? In this video, I'll show you the exact tweaks to make that happen. Let's get started. First of all, launch open any web browser and head over to linkedin.com or open the LinkedIn app. Now, the first thing you can do is polish your headline. For that, head over to your profile, tap on the pencil icon. Now, you want to rewrite your headline as a mini job ad. You want to use role-specific keywords so recruiters searching LinkedIn's job titles find you instantly. Next, you want to tap on the jobs icon. Here, you want to tap on the option of actively looking. Now, select job titles you want, set location and start date, then choose only recruiters. This green frame alerts hiring teams you're ready, no extra clicks required. Next thing you want to do is head over to your profile section again. Here, head over to the featured section. Tap on Add Feature, then select Upload Document option. Here you want to upload your up-to-date resume in PDF format, or you can also upload key project links. This pins your best work front and center so busy recruiters see it without scrolling. Now at the bottom of your About section or in a new post, include hashtags like hashtag marketing manager, hashtag remote work. LinkedIn surfaces profiles and posts by these tags. Get in front of the right audience fast. Lastly, you want to engage smartly. Spend 2 minutes liking and commenting on recent posts from top companies or thought leaders in your field. LinkedIn boosts active users in feeds and your name pops up in networks notification, driving profile clicks. And that's it. 5 quick tweaks and your LinkedIn profile will get more views and more interview calls. If you found this video useful, tap the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.